So I'm headed over to Italy. This is a hearing on why the fuck my daughter's dad withheld her from return flight on July 15th. He listed as his star witness the one and only Judge Roger Contreras, who is set to testify from his little desk at the prosecutor's office over there in Mexico City about why he believes my daughter should never come home. I am going to call the courthouse. They are not
Cochise County Superior
going to cooperate.
Your call is important to us. Para español, presione
But
uno.
I'm going to try to get a number for him to call.
Good morning, Judicial Call Center. This is call center. How can I help you today?
Hi, I need the number for the Division 5 courtroom line for witnesses to call in.
Is there a hearing scheduled today?
Yes.
Division 5, correct?
I'm sorry, say again? What was the question?
Division 5, you said?
Division 5, yeah.
And what's the case?
It is DO 2020-00439.
Okay, you said you're a witness on the case?
I'm sorry?
You're a witness on the case, you said?
Yes. Well, I'm a party and a witness, but I never got the number for my telephonic witness. The judge
What's your
didn't.
name, I'm sorry?
Nancy Burke?
Nancy Burke?
Yeah.
Give me 1 second, okay? Let me go ahead and find that number for you.
Yep. Should not have to scream and call like that. People hear it's me, so here we go. These people are just atrocious. They do this to my children. Don't delay. Anything to abuse kids, right? They'll do anything. Anything and everything. Go above and beyond. To make sure my kids have no voice. That the mom has no voice. And the only voice is the abusers who want to keep my children apart for no fucking reason other than to torture. The kids love each other. This is their day. This is their day. Bunch of trashy. He's gonna have me on hold the whole fucking time until I get there, so that's part of it. Screening whether he thinks I'm worthy to have my disclosed witness be able to appear telephonically as it was ordered good.
Alrighty, thank you for holding. So it looks like the Zoom meeting ID. Whenever you're ready, so you can take this down.
Oh, I'm sorry. Is it Zoom only?
Yes.
Oh, I asked for telephonic. Okay. All right. Give me a second. All right. Zoom meeting ID. What do we got?
Give me a second. This might be the incorrect one. I'm sorry. Let me place you on hold again one more time.
So now I'll be going down to the little valley where the phone cuts out. That'll be the next part of the Friendship. My daughter is being withheld by her child abuser dad. And other child is being withheld by his child abuser dad. So that my daughter's son can't testify. He's got very relevant testimony, including the fact that he tried to work this out to get his sister home. She's been forced into that same position for him for years. He stepped right up. But now his dad has to swat him down and abuse his relationship with his sister and me. And abuse the basics of the court system. You can't do witness tampering on your way to abusing kids anyway. It's just not okay, Prosecutor Contreras, that you're sitting there in your fucking prosecutor's desk withholding Zoe's best witness about the best interest factors. And during my parenting time, I am not going down easy today. They're gonna have to tase me, shoot me, I don't know, but I'm not letting them get away with this shit for my daughter. She's already gone. Already gone. Due to domestic violence against her and us. Hold on a minute. I don't even know who that was, but when he asked for my name, I knew it was over. He'll have me on hold until I get up to the Mill Mountains and the phone comes out again. Oh, we need to get started on Mr. Swartz's motions. They're very urgent. Right. You're waiting for the number. The other witness is waiting at the beginning, just it's about to start, of his daughter's regional softball game. They won state championship. She's a fucking badass. Traveling.
Alrighty, ma'am, thank you for holding. So just bear with me for a couple more minutes. I'm trying to get that number.
Are you actually trying to get the number? Because I actually need it. Like, right now.
Yes, ma'am.
Are you just putting me on hold to put me on hold, or what?
No, I'm just waiting for the person to come back to their office. The caseload manager, she's the one that will be able to provide me that number.
Is it Shawnee?
No, she's out today. Her name is Cynthia's the one that will be able to provide the number.
I'm sorry, who is it?
Cynthia?
Cynthia, okay. So we have to wait for her to wander back in?
I'm sorry.
We have to wait for her to wander in for me to get the...
Wander back in. I called her. She just got here. So give me 1 second, okay?
Yep. My daughter's 13. She listens to some bullshit. My son's completely incommunicado. Somebody is watching him to make sure he doesn't leave his house. My calls get bounced. He lets them ring. Some of them ring, but then some of them they're bounced. And I bet that's why he was over guarding him. Superior witness testimony. So that only his dad can testify against my daughter, not even his own daughter. So he can testify against my daughter in peace, without the pesky truth getting in the way of how important these kids are to each other. God forbid. Now I'm going to be late because of his witness tampering. I should have gotten that license plate, but eventually Xander will break through and find a way to reach me, and I'll try to remember to ask him who the fuck that was. I just not sure, but not really. All for what? To tear my kids apart. To tear apart the home we created here. A safe home free of stalking. That's why they're both mad. Because me and the kids got anti-stalking and domestic violence protections from them. We're so angry that they just ripped the kids apart. And said, fuck you kids and your protections from domestic violence. We're gonna do what the fuck we want, as we always do. Screw your love, that's for no reason. Because that's what these people do. And the only one who has to show up in person, by the way, Zoe's dad is sitting on his ass on the couch in Philly, yapping on about LeBron being traded. He's going on and on in his fantasy league right now. He's got nothing, no worries on his mind. He knows he's got Judge Contreras on his side to fuck up everything about my daughter's life. So he's sitting back yapping about trading on his fantasy league with his little fantasy buddies about LeBron James withholding my daughter and not bothering to actually do anything for court today. Because why would he have to? He's got court administration, he's got the JA, apparently the judge too. He's got misuses and abuses the system. People, including.
Already, ma'am.
Yeah.
So, whenever you're ready for that number,
I'm ready.
it's 602
Uh-huh.
753
Yep.
0140.
So it is a phone number.
Yes, and then it'll ask you for a meeting ID.
Okay. All right.
And then whenever you're ready for that meeting ID,
Yep.
976 1707 2040.
2040.
Yes, and then it'll ask for whenever you're ready for the passcode.
Usually these are put in. I'm ready.
397375.
397375.
Yes.
Okay, I'll be there as quickly as I can. Sorry,
Okay,
go ahead.
ma'am. Just so you know, you are scheduled to be here in person, okay?
I'm scheduled what?
To be here in person.
Oh yeah, I'm running late because my witness is being withheld from testifying. So
Okay.
it took me a while to. It's not okay. I'm telling you why I'm running late. Actually, you could pass me to Division 5J. I'd like to. Thank you. Oh my God. I'm gonna tell her it's me and send me a voicemail. Just so you know, you're scheduled to be here in person. Yeah, I know. I'm the only one. Everybody sits around talking about fantasy football and doing their little witness tampering. I'm the only one who has to be in person. And this is going to be a nice long trip. Up the mountain. Fun shit. This is witness. So that's extremely important. And I want to talk about that right away, if you could let the judge know.
Okay, about the witness testifying with for you today, is that what you said? Sorry, you keep cutting off.
Yeah.
Sorry.
My ex has a witness
Okay.
who is withholding my witness from appearing today. So
Okay, and what time do you think you're gonna get here?
probably right at the time, depending on how long it takes. Probably right at the time, depending on how long it takes.
Okay, so I will let the judge know that you're running a little bit late. He might just ready
to address that immediately. I'm gonna email you since you can't hear me. I'll email everybody.
Okay, that'll be better because it does keep cutting off. I will let them know that you are running late.
Can you tell them why? Can you tell them why I
Can you, so you said you're running late because you are, is it because of the witness that you're trying to get, or is it?
Yes, my witness is being physically withheld.
Okay.
He was going to get in the car with me to testify. Being physically withheld by response. So I was running late because I sat there waiting for him, and he's being physically withheld. Daughter's life is hanging in the balance. Nobody cares. So can you see why everybody wants this to be private? It's so they can commit crimes. and abuse children quietly. They are literally withholding my witness. My ex's witness, a judge, prosecutor, and lawyer, is not allowing my witness, our mutual son, to testify today. He's being guarded by somebody with a white or silver Jeep. I don't know if that's Laura, his wife's Jeep, or what. I figured he would send somebody to act as security to fully implement the witness tampering so that Xander cannot testify on his own sister's behalf. This is bullshit. I mean, beyond bullshit. I'm just too tired to really fully go postal. It's beyond that, but I'll probably get in there. They'll probably fuck with me some more. They've already fucked with me on the way here, pretending like they don't have the number for my other witness to call, delaying that. Oh, but Mr. Swartz needs it, so he can sit on his ass in Philly and call in while he talks to his little group chat about the LeBron James trade for his fantasy league. That's what he's up to today. No big deal. Just withheld my kid. He's sitting back while his witness tampers with mine after he ignored Xander. Yeah, Rick, we know how much you ignored him already. And now you're trying to actually throw him out. I mean, this is like felony level shit. You guys know that, right? Richard Michael Swartz, 10/22/79. And Roger Heath Contreras, 11/3/65, are currently committing witness tampering in a child custody matter. Right now. Right now. I have to go into court and hope that my daughter gets returned on this level of bullshit. I'm about to park in a minute, so their first order of business is gonna be ripping my phone away from me so that I can't keep the stream going and no one captures this level of child abuse committed by and in the court system. So they're gonna try to rip that away. I don't know if I have time to really argue about that today. I'm probably gonna. The only reason I'm late is because of the witness tampering, so really I can just fuck off. David Morgan, if you're out there, I'm taking your spot in front of where you used to be. Fuck that. I ain't got time for this shit. All right, I'm throwing this in the bed because it has to be audio only. Although I am allowed to stream, so. Wish me luck, people. Absolutely need it. And they're gonna act like this is normal. Or I'm in the wrong. Probably more like I'm in the wrong. How dare you? How dare I what? Say the truth and bring other people that know the truth? How dare I, right? Pieces of shit. Absolute pieces of shit. Everybody's getting called to, that's what I'm supposed to do. And timely, right? Timely. You gotta be on time. Timely. Turn you out. Bring my kid over here and I'll see.
What's that?
I know, right? My bigger issue is that my son is being withheld from testifying by Roger Contreras right now. You can nod at me, but that needs to be addressed now. Now. Okay, I'll set up. I'd like to talk to her now.
Only asking about technology.
Of course you are.
Am I here to address anything or your proceedings?
My son is being physically withheld by Roger so that he can't testify. And I said, sure. I did say sure. I said sure, and my bigger issue is the other one. Bobby, come on. Did you hear what I said? Did you not hear what I said? Are you comprehending what's going on? They started the day like this. I didn't start the day by committing felony against a child. I know. She said she was. I also need my son, who is being actually withheld by his dad right now. She can ask the judge to come out early because this is a very big issue. Not even now. I think my son deserves that time. I'm waiting for him. That's why I'm running late. Because I was supposed to be picking him up. I don't know, Bobby. She hasn't passed me with this part. So can we do this part or what? Bobby, come on now. Come on. Do you hear what I'm saying? He's being physically withheld from testifying right here on his sister's behalf. Yeah, go ahead. I don't care. Go. This is a new one, even in my case. This is a new one. Do you know what I said? Because they withheld my daughter when she was supposed to come. We did ex parte orders. Suspending my time.
You're already connected to the internet.
Suspending my time. Giving him full legal decision. All ex parte. Canceling her flight and letting him enroll in school across the country. All ex parte. My son is like the BFF. He wanted to testify. He's the one who said it. He didn't say that. So I go to pick him up, and he's being held inside the house because his father is my ex's new witness today. That's what's happening right now. And I shouldn't start the day like this, but it's my I'm upset, so I shouldn't say it. Oh, I'm telling you. Man. And they'll just sit there like I'm a crazy one. My kid is being like physically restrained right now so that he can't testify by his judge father committing those crimes in this moment. It's insanity. Are you looking at me to be tackled? Is that why you press at the door every once in a while? It's like, it's insanity. It's insanity. Physically restrained. Physically restrained. Got the license plate and everything. They're not gonna care. Oh, we have to hurry up and get to Mr. Schwartz's priorities. Meanwhile, he's sitting there talking about LeBron being traded to the Sixers. He's got not worry in the world. Philadelphia sports. They'll come in also and tell me to shut up and turn my phone so that I don't have access outside work. They'll do that first because Roger's involved. Gotta cover up the corruption, you know? Cover up the police. Whisper, whisper. Cover up the eyes. Nothing's wrong here, right? It's normal. My daughter's gone. These guys are going here. They don't give a shit, though. Don't give a shit. What are you looking for?
Oh,
I have 0 weapons, dude.
I'll give it back to you when you come back, right?
So I don't attack Alba with a stapler. Roger's stapler doesn't get taken. Yeah. Brings all his devices fully on. They're looking for weapons now, instead of like, actually addressing the issue. Do you see this? Fun times. I don't need weapons, I need like justice. I need my kids. I need for him to stop committing crimes. Every time I'm in this courthouse, he's committing some crime or another.
I understand what you're saying, I just didn't want it to
I don't think you do.
be a confrontation with the corporate administrator, so.
Well, Cynthia's got the issue. She was even on her way here.
That's the reason that you're.
Oh, Nilta has been a little bit better, but not good.
Yeah, that was.
She's fully turned because my accident took out. I got no answers from her as to even the length of today's hearing, for example. Been asking since I found out. Nobody will tell me. Nilta's silent. Johnny, Cynthia, the JA, for hours. Everyone sits there and just laughs behind my back when I'm trying to get witnesses scheduled. Because God forbid, I have an actual hearing, this process and stuff. And Rick's gonna show up all smiley in a t-shirt. My children actually need me. That's what these people don't seem to care about or agree with. They actually do. I'm actually a good mom. I'm better than the dads are. I really am. I don't abuse my kids like this. I don't separate them from each other and their parents. He's being physically withheld right now. That's a felony, like in real time. And I just get stared at.
All right, the business settings in session.
439 in the matter of Nancy Burke and Richard Schwartz. If I could please have the petitioner stated in the record.
Nancy Burke, here pro se, and my son is being withheld right now physically so that he can't testify.
So just a moment.
I'd like to address that.
Speaking into the microphone, while I appreciate you standing, it puts you farther away from
Yep,
the microphone.
understood.
So you can remain seated. The
Nancy
most
Burke.
important thing is that we're capturing what you're saying.
Absolutely.
Okay, so if you could restate your name.
Nancy Burke, I'm here pro se, and my son is being withheld right now so that he can't testify. He's being physically withheld by respondent's witness.
So you're getting ahead of us because we're just announcing it. So if I could please have the respondent state here, please name the record.
Good morning, Your Honor. My name is Richard Schwartz.
Thank you. This is the time set for an evidentiary hearing on the return for the motion for post-decree temporary order without notice or modification of legal decision-making and parenting.
Your Honor, before you go on, I'd like to ask that Mr. Contreras be removed from the feed. It's not his time to testify.
We're going to be talking about the request to close the courtroom. We're going to be talking about a lot of procedural matters.
Including his withholding of my son so that my son can't testify. He's on the feed right now, smirking and nodding his head so that my daughter's main witness cannot testify.
Hold on. We're going to go through some procedural matters. The first one that we're going to go through is I have an objection to the petitioner of streaming attorney. I took a look at Rule 13B. Is this, my concern is, but it's not a concern, it seems like this is actually a motion to close the courtroom, which would entail also not reporting. So I want to hear from both parties so we can address this first. Mr. Schwartz?
Your Honor, I think if we need to effectuate the sensitive information involving both the minor children being disseminated or needlessly out in the public, we're going to get into allegations of homelessness, domestic violence, emotional abuse, that it would be better that this doesn't follow the kids around, and I will warmly move to amend that motion to have this a closed proceeding. I just checked, Ms. Burke is presently live streaming this hearing right now.
Ms. Burke, I want to hear your argument, but if you
Yes.
could please be seated so that we're sure we're picking up the microphone.
Yes, Your Honor. I was trying to send my son the Zoom information so that he can try to Zoom in, despite his father's wishes. He was hanging in on the procedural matters. There's no reason to close this proceeding other than to hide their child abuse. And if you close this proceeding, it's going to help them further it, just like he is right now, by withholding his own son from being able to come here today and testify. And he's sitting here on the procedural line because the closing of the courtroom is his thing. Mr. Contreras does that in all of his proceedings, to hide his own child abuse. I already told this CJC on the way here what he's doing right now, and he's sitting here listening, trying to strategize. He's sitting here trying to make sure that our mutual son does not testify on behalf of my daughter who is being withheld by the other one.
Right. I am granting the request to close the courtroom. That means
This is my domestic violence support person. I need her here. I really do. And it's my kid's support person
So
at the domestic violence shelter.
Closing the courtroom,
Why?
which means that the reason I'm closing the courtroom is because I'm concerned about the children in this matter. We're going to be talking about some sensitive topics.
And you're covering up child abuse by closing the courtroom. And you're letting it further in darkness. Child abuse happens in darkness. Domestic violence stays rampant when it's not uncovered.
My order means that the request, notice related to reporting, it is prohibited. I'm ruling that it's prohibited by the court. And I could please have court security ensure that this matter is not being reported.
Your Honor, that is Rule 122H. With all due respect, Mr. Schwartz doesn't know the rules on 122H, and he cited the family law rule on closing the courtroom, which is a completely different set of rules, and it's a different relief that he's asking for in terms of covering up child abuse.
Be seated so that we can hear you.
So,
in the recording, and I am, as you are always welcome to obtain a copy of the recording.
at a high cost, way too late, when my daughter's already gone and my son is now gone.
Ma'am, I issued the
It's not a request under 122H. I issued my notice, and it's not a request. It's my right to record the proceeding and to live stream it simultaneously under Arizona Supreme Court Rule 122 subpart H. He only asked for closure of the courtroom, which affects the same thing. Now I'm surrounded by security.
But please have court security insured.
Your Honor, you need to put the 13B factors on the record before you even close the courtroom. I'm not going to turn my phone off. I need to get a hold of my witnesses who have been withheld. My witnesses need to get through. He's sitting here with his phone, his computers. He's got his witness on the line already. My witness is being withheld.